What's up, y'all? We back. We on the 125, baby. We just doing a little exploring, riding around the city. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major. Just out here vibing, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me, man. Let's see how we can come up out this bitch on the whole shot. Okay. Junkyard. Woo, water. That shit wanna go, boy. Alright, man, kick in. Damn, boy, they burnt that motherfucker up. Hold on, y'all. We gotta go see. We gotta go check that shit out, y'all. Hold the fuck up. I know somebody ain't do an insurance claim on that motherfucker. Hold the fuck up. That's a Ram for sure. That ain't a Ram, but that's a Durango for sure. They burnt that bitch down to the floor, goddamn. Jeez. I can't believe it, y'all. This shit is burnt to a crisp. Wow. They got the whole motor. That's the rear end right there. That's the whole fucking rear end right there, y'all. Golly. Hey, man, if y'all need some parts, man, I don't know if it'll work or not, but hey, right here, buddy. Right here, man, they got you. They got you. The motor intact, but it's burnt. Jeez. What the heck?